We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your toner in an HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M283fdw. So first thing first, this printer takes a W2110 series. They do have two different yields in those cartridges. They have the A, which is going to be the lower yield, which is basically less ink. Then they're going to have the X, which is the high yield, which is more ink. So first thing you do is open your front part here. There's this blue little lever. You just hit it and it just comes right out. There is color indicators right over here on the right hand side. And then you just take your handle, take it out, so you would unbox your new one. Then you would take it and just literally stick it back in. You just want to make sure that you put it in the correct spots. See, because if you take the toner out, it'll tell you right here. So just make sure you put the blue with the blue, yellow with the yellow, red with the red, and so on. So once you got your new ones in there, you just shut this. Once it clicks, you know it's in there the right way. Shut the front hatch. Your printer will then initialize and start reading the cartridges. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supplies.